Welcome back to the channel of All Things Pre-Roll. Today, we're going to discuss one of the most important and most forgotten steps in pre-roll production, sifting. It is no secret that sifting plays an important role in filtering out stems and foreign materials. But did you also know that sifting can also help you improve the smokability of your pre-rolls and speed up pre-roll production? Thanks to the even particle size distribution achieved through sifting, you can create better packed pre-rolls that have less weight variance than their unsifted peers. In fact, we ran an experiment and found out just how big of an impact sifting plays in pre-roll production. We placed sifted and unsifted flour into our king cone machine to compare the results. The test showed that the weight variance was 65% higher and the number of pre-rolls that had a hole due to stems was 488% higher in pre-rolls made with unsifted material. Even more telling was that the number of pre-rolls that we deemed to have an unsatisfactory pack was 194% higher with unsifted material. We also found that out of a run of 169 pre-rolls, you get 27 more pre-rolls when you use sifted material versus unsifted material, putting to bed the myth that skipping sifting saves you time in your pre-roll production. Not only does sifting reduce variance, improve speed, and produce better packed pre-rolls, but it also creates a better smoking pre-roll. That's because different sized particles burn at different rates. And when your pre-rolls are filled with small and large particles, it disrupts the airflow and can lead to canoeing, or when a pre-roll burns unevenly down one side of the cone. Sifting produces evenly sized particles, ensuring a smooth smoke experience from start to finish. Despite the clear benefits of sifting, many companies have yet to add this step to their pre-roll production process. We polled over 300 companies from every corner of the pre-roll industry and found that only about 40% of them are using sifters. So if you're one of the 60% that have yet to adopt sifting into your production, don't worry. We have 3 commercial sifters that are changing the game for pre-roll production. The tabletop Quick Sift Mini, which can do about 1 pound per minute and a half, or the larger Quick Sift Commercial, which can do 1 pound per minute, and the Quick Sift Industrial, which can accommodate different volumes of material based on your production needs. You can also purchase different mesh screen sizes to match your desired grind consistency you want for each of your flour strains. A good rule of thumb when selecting a screen size is that the larger the number, the smaller the particles will be. We recommend starting with one of our most common screen sizes like a 10 or a 12 mesh and then going up or down in size based on your results. Sifters lead to better packed pre-rolls, and better packed pre-rolls are better smoking products. Though still overlooked, it's a secret weapon in creating high quality pre-rolls. So sift away, friends. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and remember to click the bell to subscribe and get up-to-date videos on all things pre-roll.